Hi guys, so for today's video, I was constantly worried about me, from what I should do to what I should wear. She'd always give me organic food to eat. I had to train her. So this is an after Sunday mass vlog. Tsaka pag-video ko kapag kasi sabang ingat. And yung gagawin for today, mag-a-add ako ng paper here. Tapos ilagay ko yung mga stuff na gusto ko. Kunwari, paper, ganon. Paper stars, like that. Pero parang gusto ko gumawa ng paper garland. And today is like face reveal. Yung mangga. Sarap mo kayo ng mangga. Let's get started. Parang iba gusto ko gawin, pero off-vlog lang. So, let's go na. Papakita ko muna sa inyo ang aking drawing. Let's go. Wala akong papel. Guys, sa akong drawing. Ito. Wala akong maliit. Pero marami yung designs niya. Like, try natin. When I'm still in love with you. My mother. And Mom's herbs were doing absolutely nothing to help. When I got a high fever, she rushed me. Parang kung saan doon ng vlog na ko. Parang mas maganda pag ikita mukha ko. Kasi mas gusto ko pinapakita. So I'm gonna get this paper from this. She rushed me to the hospital. It turned out I was pretty sick. I'm so sorry, sweetie. Why was I being so reckless? I should have brought you to the doctor earlier. I had to stay in the hospital for 2 days. And it was then that I became fascinated with everything doctors did, except for the needle. So gumawa pala ako guys ng paper garland. And sobrang ganda ng kinalabasan. So, wala kasi akong yarn. Kasi yung sa iba, ginamit nila yarn. And since wala akong yarn, ginamit ko lang is sinulid. Ito pa yung sinulid para siyang 10. Like, sobrang 10. Tapos parang hindi nakikita. So, yung ginawa ko, para masabit ko siya dun sa parang board something na yun. Binuksan ko na rin yung ilaw para maliwanag kasi it looks like I'm in the dark. Wag. We're with my cousin. Huwag ka maingay ah. So, ito na. Lahat ko na yung tingi dyan. Nagkaalala na kami ni ate. Sinong ate? Bakit? Bakit? Ano lalaruin? Tanungin mo ulit. Nandito siya. Bakit? Ba't mo siya binlock? Huh? Guys, nambablock na lang to. Kaya kung nakita niyo yun, ay, baliw ka kasi. So, ilagay ko muna yung date. So, ayun. Ano gagawin mo sa Mother's Day, Mon?
Mother's Day?
Ano gagawin mo para kay Tita Ann? Ako meron na sa TikTok. DIY lang siya, pero carry na rin. She's known for that around here.
Arimat.
Dito na. Wait a second. She's gonna be one of my professors when the academic year starts. Are you out of your mind? You want me to crash the
gagawin mo dito?
professor's party?
Dito na.
Should I explain to you
Ay,
again?
hindi.
So what if we got caught?
Huwag ka maingay.
Who noticed two girls at a crowded party? It's her daughter's birthday party, so a lot of her friends will be there. Well, no one noticed. They
We're
promised.
just gonna
The
go
place was amazing. Right when I
until
was
here.
stuffing my face with food, a lady came and looked at me up and down. May I know who you're with? Yes. Dr. Peyton invited us. Oh dear. I don't think I have much clumsy and
Mon, kuha ka tubig sa
I
baba.
know all of my
Ayan na
daughter's
yung,
friends, and definitely
Mon,
you're
kuha ka man tubig.
Oh my god, my cheeks were burning red at that point.
Nauuhaw
That was
ako.
so embarrassing. Right then, he kissed my hand and
Ay,
whispered,
naalala mo si Father.
Dr. Peyton started to follow us because
Wait,
she wanted to know
wait lang guys.
Times Square
Ito
in the
na.
middle of the night. She had a
Ito
point,
sa'yo.
but what was I gonna tell my mom? I couldn't break her heart.
Kailan ka na naman ni Kat? So, ito. Umukha niya. Ganyan siya. Sila lagay sok-sok-sok. Ayoko na tong mango shake. Gusto niya na lang ko. So, kuha lang tayo ng tape. Nasa isip ko ito eh. Parang pinicture. Ayan, tape. Wait. Pero bago natin siya i-tape, gagawa tayo ng ma-design. So, let's go. So, ayan.
Never forget to bring these. Thank you so much. The next day, I took
Okay,
them out to
okay.
my room. Just as she
Wait,
picked up
maglalagay
the
tayo nito. Ayan. Hindi ko alam ba't nag-cut yung video, pero mukhang kailangan ko na naman mag-delete ng video para dito. Pero hindi pa naman ako full start, kaya ako mag-full start. Tignan nyo guys, parang inabuse yung page na to. So, ayan. I'm gonna just get some colors. Ano kaya? Parang mga, Iglalagay tayo ng mga star.
Here she is. Your daughter's going
Wait.
to medical college? Yes, you heard me right. You're not the only one from Mississippi who could get into a college. My daughter here is
Here you go.
in the crowd.
There is the go. Okay.
Do you mind telling me your batch number? Oh, you might have forgotten.
Guys, nakakainis sa pinsan ko sa likod. Wait. Kuha lang ako guys ng color. Wait lang guys, I will make a video.
I knew how much it annoyed her, but who cares?
Look at the
After
design.
graduation, interning, and residency, I finally got a job at a hospital. Today is my first day. Wish me good luck.
Si Kuya Oliver nag-Google Garden. Oo. Ginoin ko siya kanina. Kanina pa siya nagdadaan. Binigyan mo siya pet. Oo, ano yung pet na binigay mo? Bunny rin. 16 years old na pet ko sa Grow Garden. Kapakita ko sa isa sinunod. Gabi na gutom yung panda ko. Baliw ka. Kaya bumili ako maraming pepper. Sugar cane? Oh, may sugar cane na?
Hindi, yung kapatid ng sugar cane.
Bamboo.
Oh, bamboo. Bumili ng bamboo, 20 na bamboo binili ko.
Oh,
Parang sa kanya.
oh, pinakain ko sila ng pinakain, tapos takbo ng takbo yung black bunny ko.
Help yung
Palace was full of delicate things. I'll be careful, I promise. Oh, I forgot to tell you. There's also a ghost who has lived in this palace for decades. Was the ghost there when you were a kid? Yep, then it must be old by now. I can easily outrun it. Of course, I didn't believe her. If anything, it made me more curious about the palace. When I was 9, Mom was called by the Duchess to make her portrait, and this time, I followed her. Somehow, I managed to sneak inside without getting noticed.
Ba't mo tinanggal? Nakakainis.
Wandered around and with nearby rooms, toys and blingy.
Finally, na-tape ko na siya pero medyo tabingi. Ayan yung pocket. And then, ilalagyan ko na gamit. So, ito ko ng paper star. Then, ito yung squish
Okay,
malo.
Allison, darling, we're starting with your royal lessons
birthday niya is
Be ready at
June
4 a.m.
22.
sharp. Good luck with that. It's not easy, princess. She wasn't kidding. It was a mad schedule. Mornings were for horse riding, then music in the afternoon, and martial arts in the evening. My body was super sore.
Just gonna put it in the
I
pocket.
grew tougher and learned a lot. One evening during martial arts
Okay.
practice,
Ayun muna guys, malalagay ko for today. Tapos, nilagay na ako ng stickers.
Lame question. It's your official introduction. So, why are you having one? Don't people know you already? That's when Dad told me that Charlotte had always been sick all her life. She had a rare genetic heart condition that didn't
Not
allow
gonna
her to
use
roam
this
around
one.
too much. It was only recently that she'd gotten better. But I'm still better than you.
Garlic.
What's your problem? My problem is that you're here to take my crown away from me, and I won't let that happen.
Enough. That's for me to decide. Now eat your dinner. I'd root for you.
I kicked that face under the table, and he turned red. Much deserved. The coming out party had sent the whole town
Ba't di ako
into a frenzy,
makakuha
and Mom was called to make our official portraits. Seeing her made
Sister tried to take
I'm
advantage of me.
gonna
She tried
put
to
up
kiss me
fabric.
while pretending.
she paid the nanny to take me away
Look
and
at
drop me in
that.
the
I got the fabric, and then we're gonna put it
Charlotte was
here.
so sick as a kid, I didn't think she'd survive for so long. With both of you gone, I'd be a queen, but
Karma's a witch. The king gave orders to take the dishes away
So
to the Duckets
that's
for
all
treason.
for today's video.
Charlotte turned to me.
Bye.